Kevin, my God.
How far?
Now we got job now. Hey, planting.
Yeah. Hey. So how many planting we there? You said 5 planting. This guy.
Just one now.
You said 5 planting. I give you one. You fit keep person. I swear. You fit keep person. You guys not gonna understand.
I beg. I'll just.
You guys. Yes, you no gonna understand. You got 5 planting. I give you one. You fit keep person.
Kevin, one planting you don't give me.
I'll give you, but wait for me. I first satisfy myself first. Now,
Hey, wouldn't 4 planting
can't
left?
be harsh, guy. Put down, not my fault. That's why 5 planting. I give you one. No be so.
What rubbish is that?
Kelvin, I'm warning you. Give me my money, oh. Just give me my money. Just give me my money. Give me my money, oh.
Let's say the increase. Okay, I know they pay the money. She be like the thing I buy for my shop. I know they pay 1,500. Now they embarrass me. You know, say I be big boy. You know how much I don't spend today? The craze.
You just the talk. Don't let me owe you. People go just gather for us here. People go gather. Hey, my father is even coming.
I go slap your father. Your father the mad. Now me they go call your father. Your father na boxer. Your father na boxer. Where they go call your father come?
He's owing me. You don't want to pay me.
I don't want to pay my daughter. I'm at your house. Bros, no. What you don't talk with your mother? I don't enter this matter. This thing no concern my dear. Me.
Yes.
Me Tessa no pay you.
You say yes.
You see as this life be. She dey talk say I owe 1.5. As a matter of fact, now 1.9 I dey owe. She don't even calculate and well. I'll give her now. This one, I'm going to even dash you 100. So everything be 2K.
Let's do that. Bros, sorry for disturbing you. Please, I'm very sorry. I have just 2 minutes to leave here. I'm looking for John, one very popular John in this area. I don't know if it is this compound.
Okay. Popular John for this area.
I don't remember the John when they asked me of. Don't worry, Noah. Okay. Thank you very much.
Not be John way popular for this area.
Yes.
The guy not too fat, he not too slim.
Exactly.
He ain't not too long, he not too short.
Now the John.
His leg not too slim, he not too fat.
I take no.
The guy not too dark, he not too fair.
Brother, I've seen John. Thank you.
He know the two keep hair, he know the two bab skin, he know the two bab
God, that's sin.
The guy just day, no too day. He not too fine, he not too ugly.
They see.
You see what I don't know. I don't know the John way they ask about. Everything what I tell you so. Now everything they tell me about the John because they say it's popular.
Your grandpapa left Nyash.
Waka, you know go better for you. I be keeper of John, I be John's keeper. We call the ask me of John. This early morning, no be only John, Barnabas. The Chris. This guy. I better come give my 2K.
Wait till that, Kevin. You won't embarrass me because of 2K. I no go sleep and wake up for my house.
No, if I no wake up for your house, like I wake up for bank, I better give my 2K.
Me will give somebody 750 million. Just now, you won't embarrass me because of 2K.
You give person 750 million. Why would they do the same thing as I come in now? I give somebody 800 million. Now. No say go ask.
You see that house where they build on top of water?
What you do the house?
Now me buy. You know how much I buy am?
My bad house.
3 trillion.
My bad house.
Now me buy am now.
Hey, why John no follow me come?
Who be John?
You don't know John?
Who be John?
Now John for just tell you. You see that hotel we don't talk water? John for just tell you who buy am.
And who buy am? Now you buy am.
Why they ask me? You go ask John.
Oh Jesus. You know Diamond Bank?
What you do?
Now me be Diamond. Now me buy am.
Now lie.
Now me buy Diamond Bank, my brother.
Oh, why for buy? For don't buy that bank that time. But no time say no say that the price airport. So somebody don't buy am.
The price I go buy that. I go buy am.
They no time say they don't buy am.
Who buy am?
Ask John. John go don't tell you who buy am.
Now you buy airport.
You dey ask me again. Now me buy am now. I beg just go inside. Give my 2K. Give my 2K.
Kelvin, I want you to stop coming to my place. Stop coming to my place. I've reported you to my boyfriend.
Hey, keep quiet. Keep quiet. Don't you do because I love you. Because love dey blind. Your house na Mecca be your house na Jerusalem. We say you know say people dey go all these places. Who be that your boyfriend say wey dey talk anyhow? Instead make dey beg me. Who be that your boyfriend? Hey baby. Wetin happen? Baby, who is this?
He's the one I told you about, have been disturbing me. Coming to my place.
You see? Satan shame unto you, all power belong to Jesus.
Oh, shut up!
Now my friend.
Your friend?
Now my friend, you don't know me again, my guy. That day now for that joint, me and John, my friend, sit down with a drink. Una the other table they drink too. We smoke cigar, now smoke cigar. Una say hi, we say hi. Una do like this, we do like this too. You know what?
Shut up. Now listen. If I see you anywhere close to my girl,
you never reach me. You never. I'm unbreakable. See, I don't have 70 billion naira in my account like my friend John. I don't have 5 houses on Banana Island like my friend John. I don't have 16 cars like my friend John. But the love I have in my heart, even my friend John envies me. I will do anything for you, only to make you happy. Just love me.
Kelvin, I love you so much.
I know.
But Kelvin, if you really love me, like you said your love is unquenchable, right?
Yes.
Kelvin, please, I beg you, introduce me to John. Take me to John. I want to meet him. Look, I promise you, I will talk to John to help you. John is my dream man. Please, I beg you. You love me, right? Do it for me. Take me to John, please. Kelvin.
Mike, you call me. What's happening?
Nah, guy, I tire for this world, though. I tire. See, you know Charles now, my cousin. Charles, where people full on his face. When they say if they bust the people waiting for his face, they go take the oil fry akara for everybody waiting your village. He traveled last night. This morning, he sent picture. He fresh like the lineage. Fresh, boy.
Charles, when use people do makeup.
I did tell you.
When travel last night, don't fresh this
real.
morning. See, man, no lie, you no surprise me. You no surprise me. As I dey come now, for this street, that hospital, they just born one pikin now. As the pikin just dey come out, just say, "Mommy, follow me on Instagram." Wow.
You say what?
The pikin talk, say, "Mommy, follow me on Instagram."
You see they like this kind lie? You see they like this kind lie?
No be your fault. No be your fault. If the person travel yesterday, don't fresh today. Then they sell fresh for the airport. You get food, may not use life, belle fool me. You get food.
So because of 5K billion, you chase me away from Lagos to my village because of 5,000. Yes. You don't come fight me for my village before I go. Why John not there here? Who be John? You don't know John? Like say John there, John will tell you, he get one boy that come Koboko for Ghana. When they born this boy, the boy get head though, but now he don't get head again. What you doing here? Action! He get one other. Hey! He get 2 lions when they say the Nasarawa, but today they say those lions they are alive again. Who killed the lion? Ask John. How you trying to make ask John? John are your friends? You want to John? Don't let you know John. How you don't tell me to make ask Timothy or make ask or make ask Uche? You tell me John. No, they claim my friend with me. You know the John what I know. Which John you know? Who you know when they call John? When you don't tell me to make ask John. I tell me ask John. You make ask John. You give my money, John. Which money I give you? Oh, but go ask my story. I John, why you know they here, John? John. It's John there. What's John want you? Now Expo they give you so. You know what I feel that they give you Expo. Leave it.
Idiot! So you be deceiving my friend with fake love, Abby? You think she doesn't have sense?
Don't mind him. Don't mind this fool. This idiot. Every time you be deceiving me, Abby, God will punish you. God will punish you for showing me fake love. Idiot. God, gorilla. See your head. See your big head.